Welcome back to my channel. I want to share an incredible, important, heartfelt story with you guys. It's about a remarkable young man named Jason Miller.
Don't forget to like and subscribe.
It's Countryman again. Just I lick you with some wisdom, and I lick you with some knowledge. You gotta take inside your brain. It says, son, I've learned a lot out of reading people's faces. No matter how them are going, like them original, them fake. You gotta know when to walk and know when to run and know when to fall and know when to stand.
Now, on November 30th, 2021, Jason's life took a tragic turn. He became the victim of a senseless act of violence and was shot, leaving him paralyzed and unable to walk. Now, despite his life-threatening event, Jason's strength and determination is one cut out of stone. I must be honest, I don't know Jason personally, but the person who sent me the link said they know him, and they asked me if I can talk about this young man. So I asked them question about him, and the way they talk about him, it seems like Jason is a kind, bright young man who just happened to be in a tragic situation. Now Jason faces overwhelming financial burden. Him have extensive medical bill. Him need physical therapy. Him need necessary modification to him house so that the wheelchair can access it, and he definitely need specialized equipment in mobility. You see what I'm saying? So it is a very challenging thing for this young man, because the person I spoke with, they say he's trying to rebuild his life and trying to make a difference because he doesn't want to be a burden on anybody because he's independent. So they have set up a GoFundMe campaign to support Jason in his recovery, and every donation, no matter how small it is, can help to alleviate the financial pressure on Jason and provide him with the resource he needs. So I am asking everybody who watch this video and beyond, please share this video. Please take a time, click the link down below, visit Jason GoFundMe page, you understand, and donate something to this young man. I would like to thank everybody who sat right here and listened to me. You listen to me talking about this young man, and like I said, I don't know him personally, but the person who sent the link has a link known Jason, and I surely asked them a lot of questions, and this young man is a real decent young man People said he's kind. If people needed help in the community, when he was walking, he would help them. So now it's our time to help Jason Miller. Remember now, click on the link down below, go to his GoFundMe page and donate something, anything. We would appreciate it. And remember, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to this channel, and make sure you share this video. As it may be, I will be doing more of these videos for victims of crime who have GoFundMe pages. So take your time and support Jason. Okay? And I thank you very much. My name is Countryman.
Don't forget to like and subscribe.